Hello guys, good day. Today we are going to create a tutorial about how to create your account in your PhilHealth and view your contributions. All of your contributions, you can see it by creating your own account. So you will need only your PhilHealth ID number, and you are going to fill up some form and then create your own password, and then after that you have to check your email and activate your account, and then after that you can log in already and view your contribution. All of your contribution for so many years of working, you can view it and check it. You can check if how much you have been contributed on your PhilHealth account. So let's go guys, let's create this tutorial, and you can use it as your guidelines on how to create your own account and check your contributions.
So first guys, on your desktop, open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. And then type at your browser www.philhealth.gov.ph. There you have it, and the website of PhilHealth has been loaded up. And then if you check on their website, you can see that there are photos that serve as the link for their every portal website. For us, we have to click the online services so that the website will load up the membership portal, etc. And then we have to click the member portal. So just click the register or login, and then there you have it. The portal is loaded up, and then you'll see that if you have already an account, you can log in directly, or if you don't have, you can create an account. So for us, we have to create our own account, and then we have to fill up everything. So fill your PhilHealth ID number, your last name, your first name, and then your date of birth. And now I am filling up the date of birth of my sample account. So there it is. Just follow everything and you'll be successful on creating your own account. And then filling up with sex, or filling up with female, and then the email address of my sample account, and then the mobile number. It's very important to fill it up all because it's useful for this data saving. So now I am filling up the mobile number, and then after that I have to create. So we have to create our own password. You should write it, or maybe you should create a password that is good or strong, and then you can remember it immediately. You have to create a password that you can remember immediately, and then input the captcha text at the black rectangle at the bottom, and then just click create account after you fill it up all. Now it's processing. There you have it. The portal or the member portal account has been created, and now it's very good. And we have to check the email from PhilHealth that says we have to click something to activate the account we created. So I saw already the email, and I have to click the link so that it will be activated. Yes, it is now activated, and it's very good. So we have to try to log in the account if it is successful, or it is already created. So we filled everything, the PhilHealth ID number, the password, and then the captcha text from the black rectangle. We have to fill everything at the form, and then click the login button. There you have it. You'll see now that the information is already displayed. You'll see everything, the list of dependents you have, and your information. So guys, if you want to see your contributions, you have to click the premium contribution text below the member information at the menu. So there you have it, all of the contribution you have contributed for a very long journey of working. So you can see everything, how much you have contributed, how much your total contributions, everything. The payment management is a little bit more explanation we have to do. We'll explain it in another tutorial. So right now we have to click the user profile, so you can see your PhilHealth ID number, your email address you have been using in your account, and then the mobile number you have been using also. So that's all guys. Everything is very good, everything is already created, and you have your own account now in your PhilHealth, and you can view it. You can view all your contributions directly. So you don't have to be worried, you don't have to be sad if you don't know how much you have been contributed in a very long journey of working. And it's already done. So guys, thank you so much for watching my tutorial in creating the PhilHealth account and viewing your own contributions in your account. Thank you so much. I hope you learn and enjoy the tutorial. Thank you.